Good morning, everybody, or as Tommy Effia would say, good morning. Car's been running good. I think we're on day 3 of running and driving. It still has no power steering, so I'm actually gonna head over to Advance because they're open today, Sunday. I'm gonna go take it out in this nasty weather and go pick up some hose, hopefully get my power steering working. Let her warm up for a minute. I'll be right back, you guys. Really slick out here. I don't think I'm gonna be able to do anything too fun. Got no power steering and people drive like shit, so I just want to make sure I keep the car in one piece and don't get myself in any trouble. Still has a popping on hard braking, hard acceleration. I'm gonna have to check my engine mounts and then my subframe. Someone was telling me to check my subframe bolts. I hope it's not the subframe, but it could be. Hope you guys had an excellent week. Sorry it took me a little bit to make this video. The car's been having a ton of problems. So first thing I had to do is I had to fix my shifter cables. I was able to repair them with hose clamp, and I don't think it was a big problem anyways. I thought it was going to be more important, so I don't even think the hose clamp really matters, but it's there, it's holding my shifter cable together. My clutch pedal itself, the bracket that holds it to the firewall, I guess when they did the manual swap, they only installed the bottom 2 bolts. So it's like a triangle shape. There's 2 on the bottom and 1 up top. I was missing the top bolt, so I'll insert a clip of that right now. Yeah, so I got the top bolt in there, and then my shifter, my clutch pedal was acting properly. Yeah, so I reinstalled that third bolt on the clutch pedal bracket, and the clutch pedal started feeling how it should. There isn't bracket flex, so without that clutch bracket flexing, it actually pushes in the master cylinder, so that works. And then I'm trying to think what else. Oh yeah, broken dog bone. As soon as I was able to get the car shifting correctly, I took it out on the road and it had a broken dog bone. So I had to replace the dog bone. Wow, this person's sweet. I had to replace my dog bone. I replaced it with a poly one. Shout out to Alex Toothman. He fucking hooked it up. And then I got like some cheap eBay coilovers in the deal too for this thing. I'm not sure if I'm going to run those on this car or on the rent car, but either way I got a second set of coilovers. Yeah, so I got the dog bone. It had a broken bolt in the trans. So luckily that was super easy. It basically came out on its own. It was broken off and loose. So I had never seen it before, but I was able to put a flathead screwdriver on it and kind of chisel it out, turn it in quarter turns. So yeah, new dog bone. Clutch pedal is fixed. Shifter cables are fixed. And now I am pulling up to the store to see if I can get some 5/8 power steering line. So wish me luck for that. Well, I am leaving Advanced Auto. Parts counter guys seem to think that the hose was too big. I got my info from Pinchy Owl's relocation video. So hey dude, if you're watching, I just went and bought that 5/8 heater core line. Trying to repair my power steering. I think it's called the suction hose. It's the one that goes from the res to the pump. But man, spinning on snow is fun. But yeah, hopefully the 5/8 works. TURBO Jetta. I'm definitely liking driving this thing a lot more now. Due to weather, I don't know if I'm going to end up working on this today, so I might just make this more of an update video. Show you guys that the car's running and driving, and I'll try to get some outside shots of the car as well. But yeah, day 3 of me driving the car around. Main thing is I didn't need to put a trans in it. The trans is shifting good. Really power steering and alignment. The exhaust. I'm not getting any sort of O2 readings. I have the exhaust coming straight out of the turbo right now. But yeah, if I can get the downpipe fixed, get the power steering fixed, I think this car is very, very nice. As just minor stuff. It has like a rev hang or high idle type of issue, but I don't know if you can hear that, but some people are saying that they get similar issues when they have an exhaust leak. So right now I have a pretty massive exhaust leak. So I guess we're gonna find out if the exhaust will fix my rev hang. Anyways, thanks for watching, you guys. I'll post up some outside pics of the car. This is just going to be a little update. I just didn't want to leave anybody hanging because I know I said I was going to make a second video. I'm going to run into the store real quick and get some coffee, get some breakfast.